In the Pricing Rules page in Seller Central, you will see a list of all the predefined and custom rules available to apply. Each rule will have columns with details about the rule, including a short summary of what the rule does. The Business Catalog Rule by Amazon applies to all SKUs in your catalog, including newly added SKUs across all regions, and excluding SKUs assigned to other business pricing rules and SKUs with business-only offers. To apply this rule, select Setup Rule. This will take you to the Review and Activate Rule page, where you can learn more about the rule. Set your parameters for minimum price percentages, add business discounts, and hit Save and Activate. The rule will show as processing in the Rule Status column. Once the status changes to active, this rule will apply to all applicable SKUs in your catalog. To apply all other rules, select Edit SKUs. Custom pricing rules will have an additional drop-down which allows you to pause, edit, or delete your custom rule. The Competitive Price Rule by Amazon predefined rule can't be paused, edited, or deleted. Watch the Automate Pricing, Change or Remove a Pricing Rule video in Seller University to learn how to edit a pricing rule, pause, resume, or delete it, or review price history. Click Edit SKUs to enroll them one by one or in bulk. Pricing rules won't adjust any of your prices until you've added SKUs. To enroll SKUs one by one, select each one individually and enter your minimum and maximum prices. You can think of these prices as bumpers. They let Automate Pricing adjust your prices based on the parameters of the rule, but only within a certain range. Note that only SKUs with a minimum price can be enrolled, so remember to complete this step. Next, select the Take Action drop-down menu next to the SKU. Select the rule you would like to apply in the Assign to Rules section and click Start Repricing. To enroll SKUs in bulk, check the boxes to the left of each SKU, or click the topmost box to select all SKUs listed on the page. Next, select the Bulk Action drop-down menu and select the rule you want to apply, and select Start Repricing to confirm your selection. Another way to enroll SKUs in bulk is by selecting Manage SKUs via File Upload. Use the Download Center tab to download a bulk template. You can choose a blank file or one that's pre-populated. The pre-populated file includes your top 500 to top 50,000 SKUs, depending on the file size you select. It sorts SKUs by sales rank. We recommend using the pre-populated file, especially if you're not sure which SKUs you'd like to apply to the rule. If you're a business seller, we recommend using the blank file template. Make your selections, then select Request Automate Pricing File. Use the Refresh button to view the status of your download. Complete the required fields in the downloaded file, save the template sheet, and upload it in the Upload Center tab. The upload may take several minutes depending on the size. You may receive an error message or a processing report if the required fields are completed incorrectly. Review the section Tips to Resolve Common Errors and reference the 15,000 Series Error Codes help page to troubleshoot. Re-upload after you've corrected your spreadsheet. Return to the Manage SKUs page at any point to assign more SKUs to a rule, move SKUs to different rules, change your minimum and maximum prices, or end repricing on a rule altogether. Whether one by one or in bulk, your SKUs will reprice after you select Start Repricing, as long as you've entered a minimum price. The rule will also appear on the Automate Pricing page, so you can review and edit the SKUs you've assigned to it if needed.